Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can undo the last edit or action here in your board, project and forms on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your board in your workspace on Monday. And let's assume you would like to undo the last edit, for example, adding a column or something like that, or a project. To do that, guys, you will need to access your discussion and also activity log here for your board. To do that, click into these three dots in the top right, select activity log, and here, guys, you will see the activity. So you may, for example, navigate to activity, and here you will see the most recent actions or edits, and you can undo some of them. As you can see, you can't undo all of them, but if you go through that list, guys, you will see those that have the undo option or function enabled. So if you'd like to undo the most recent one, click into it, and there you go. Click into the next one, and there you go. The action has been, or the edit has been removed or undone. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.